This week's Tough Love Thursday, let's ask ourselves, where am I looking for the lotto ticket? What I mean by this is, what area of your life are you hoping will just solve itself, or someone will just take care of it 100%? Could be you're hoping one activity will give you that perfect clarity of mind, or that one person can solve your loneliness, one conversation repairs your relationships, one changes fixes your nutrition and health, or maybe you're hoping for an actual lotto ticket to solve all your financial woes. We do this when we feel powerless, or when it seems that the energy expended just isn't worth the payoff. The thing is, the energy and time we waste wanting things to be fixed ends up costing us more in the long run. For the longest time, I was like this with my mindset and mental health. I wanted someone else to fix it, and very often fantasized that the next person or the next event would give me that peace I was looking for. But it was never going to be just one thing. It was a few key actions applied in the correct order and given enough time to work. When I committed to these small actions consistently applied, that's when I got the results I needed. Once we become aware of where we're wishing for that magical fix, we can then start accepting where we are and reassuring ourselves that small fixes added up ultimately will have an impact. You can also have to think of other areas of life where you've consistently put in the work and eventually saw a reward. If you need help with this, which is a perfectly okay strategy, just reach out and let's talk.